The people requested a month later to come back and address the board again, and we allowed them to do that.
Well, let me ask, and this is, because I see this is your motion, so apparently you asked for it to be on there.
Right.
And in the past, I've done the same thing. In fact, I've asked for certain things to be on the board, on the agenda, and that haven't happened. So, this is kind of questioning that I see where you can get yours put on, and mine's happened.
Well, no, I asked for this last meeting, but they said I waited too long to
Okay,
ask.
well, I'm talking 4 or 5 weeks.
Well, and also, to be honest with you, I've asked Ken before to do this because the statute does ask us to make rules with regard to reasonable comment.
Correct.
Out of the open meetings law. So that was my advice, to not take it on a case-by-case basis, but to have a policy. So Greg also came up separately, as a matter of fact, as far as I know.
Well, because every board I'm on has it.
Well, I'm not questioning
It's
that.
been required of the school boards for years.
Correct. I'm not questioning what he's presenting. I'm just looking at, I requested something 4 or 5 times,
But that's a separate issue.
but I haven't been given. No, it is, but it isn't.
Did you request it? You requested it from the
It's a
chairman?
separate-
Yes, I've sent it to the
It's a separate
chairman.
issue. We have to stick to the agenda.
This is a part of the agenda.
He has the right to make a motion to add anything to the agenda. It has to be unanimously approved, but anybody's free to make a motion to add something to the agenda. It may not get off the ground. He may be the only one.
Right.
Yeah, but he hasn't done that yet.
Well,
He hasn't done it.
And we're on this motion, so I mean, if he wants to do it afterwards, he can.
Well, yeah,
Right.
I
You
mean, that's
can't,
what I'm
but
just
that's
saying.
what I'm just saying, Freddie.
No, I
Let's just
understand what
stick
you're
to
saying.
his, and then when we
Yes,
finish his, we'll
yeah,
address.
I wasn't opposing what he was
Right,
saying. I'm just
okay.
saying, since he introduced it,
Right. I know, but I'm just trying to keep us
Yeah.
on focus.